Hey guys, here's Florida Parks After Dark. We are here at the Beach Club, and this is the Gingerbread Castle. It is based on Disney's Christmas Carol. That represents Scrooge. And you see Scrooge McDuck on the horse there. And then the next horse is Christmas Past. And if you look, there's Jimmy Cricket right there. And then the next horse obviously is Christmas Present. And then there's Scrooge again as he goes by. And then last but not least, the scariest horse of all, is it goes to Christmas Future. And there's Pete, who knows the story. Pete represents the Goes to Christmas Future during it. And there's a gravestone that he has during the show. So that's the carousel. Now I'm going to back out the zoom so you get a chance to see it. So this is an operational carousel. It is made out of gingerbread. The tops have Mickeys all through it. And then down here on the bottom, there's Mickey's on the bottom as well. And to show you one other horse they have tucked away in here, they have a blue horse. Now the blue horse, if you can tell by the chains, that's Marley. When you visit Scrooge and start the whole thing. And remember during the movie, Goofy serves as Marley. He has his chains. And he has his money. So that, my friends, is Beach Club's carousel. At the very top, actually, if you look right here. There's another Mickey up there. Wait for it to come around. So what Disney does is each of the resorts has its own gingerbread element. The Beach Club always does a carousel. They always have fantastic job. This is by far the largest carousel we've ever seen. So impressive. They take so much time. And if you come around, we get a chance. I'll show you the ingredient list so you guys get a chance to see what the ingredients are. So here's all your ingredients. The gingerbread carousel is 432 pounds of honey, 1,200 pounds of rye flour, 100 pounds of eggs, 25 pounds of spices, 10 pounds of simple syrup, 100 pounds of icing, 10 quarts of egg whites, their goodness, 100 pounds of confectionery sugar, 200 Jimson paste flours, 50 pounds of dark chocolate, and 20 pounds of Grand Marnier. So guys, this is amazing. This is our first gingerbread element. You'll be seeing the rest of them. So guys, Florida Parks After Dark, thank you so much for your support. And we're off to our next one. You guys take care.